Is your Gmail signature as boring as plain text? Learn how to add an animated GIF in under 3 minutes. First, we'll open Gmail settings and create a new signature. Then, we'll insert your GIF from Google Drive and adjust its size. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Go ahead and click on Create New to start a new signature. Type in a name for your signature, like GIF. Then click Create to save that name. Make sure you've already downloaded the GIF you want to use. And also upload it to your Google Drive so it's ready to go. Now click on the Insert Image icon in the Signature Editor. Choose Google Drive since that's where we saved the animated GIF. Select the animated GIF you want to add to your signature. Then click Insert to place it in the signature. Click on the inserted GIF to see the sizing options. Choose Small or whatever size you prefer. Then click Save Changes. Now let's test it out. Click Compose to open a new email. Then insert your signature by clicking the signature icon. Choose the signature we just created. And there you have it. You've added an animated GIF to your Gmail signature. And there you have it. You added your animated GIF to your signature. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.